Hello my friends and wine lovers and super yacht captains. Today we had a very lovely summer day with sunshine, and now I have in front of me 4 different wines from an amazing winery in Italy, exactly in Tuscany and more exactly in Maremma region, so not very far from the Mediterranean Sea. The first wine is a blend of Sangiovese 60% and Alicante 40%, and it is fermented purely in steel, so it is very fruity and only slightly tannins, and on the palate you have pure fruit, red berries and forest fruits again. And this one you would perfectly combine with a very typical dish of the Maremma region, which is tortelli with ricotta spinach. And this is a good choice for this wine. The second one is pure Sangiovese 100%, and it was fermented in big barrels, or 500 liters for 18 months. And here you have also the fruit, but a little bit more oaky taste. And also on the palate a little bit more powerful. So this one would be perfectly combined with grilled meat, also with a pasta, and in this case meat sauce, so a carbonara. The third one is a Cabernet Sauvignon, and also this one has been fermented in oak in the barriques 18 months, and here you have very good expressions, much more oaky. And this one I would combine with grilled meat. Actually, this one also is awarded with 93 points out of 100 from Best Wines of Italy. And the last one is a Syrah, and this one is very smooth on the palate. It is a great wine, and this one I would just say this is perfect for meditation, but of course you can also combine it with grilled meat. And this one was a 2018, a 2015, a 2016 and a 2018. The best temperature to drink would be 16 to 18 degrees Celsius, and the price range in Switzerland 10 Swiss francs, 20 Swiss francs, 33 Swiss francs and 44 Swiss francs. And now enjoy your meal and combine it with my recommendations. If you have questions, just give me a call or contact me via email and have fun. So